Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. And if you also trade on other pairs like Gold USD, GBP USD, then do check out the forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel. So let's get started. So this is the 4-hour chart of Euro USD, and as we all know that market has been crazy since yesterday. Okay, and only because of geopolitical reasons. As we all know that when the war broke out between Russia and Ukraine, dollar started flying, gold started flying, GBP pairs, euro they witnessed heavy selling pressure. And yesterday in the peace talk between Russia and Ukraine in Istanbul, okay, things took a positive turn finally. Things are looking positive. Okay, as a result, there's a possibility that peace will come soon, and that's why we saw this kind of candles on the chart of Euro USD, and we saw heavy selling on gold. If you look at the chart of DXY also, we can see that DXY also witnessed heavy selling pressure. My dear friends, this is the main reason I always say that you must be using proper risk management and stop loss, because see, the market is not in our hands. Okay, the only thing that we can control is our loss, and you should be ready also. Okay, those who trade blindly, okay, I must tell you very frankly that please start using proper risk management, because after all, this is your hard-earned money. Okay, if it's your hard-earned money, it's your responsibility to protect it. So do not gamble with your hard-earned money. Be like a trader. Okay, if you really want to become a trader, then start acting like a trader. Okay, not a gambler. So please do not mind if my words are very harsh, but yesterday many of you have lost your account, so you have texted me. Okay, I really feel bad, and most of you are still using still trading without stop loss, and which is like suicide. Okay, don't make the mistake. Okay, so this is the 4-hour chart of DXY, and right now we can see that market is trading at 98.06. This is the market price of DXY. Overall, if you look at the trend of DXY is still in uptrend. But right now, because of the fundamental factors, we are seeing DXY going down. Yesterday it took support. Okay, it took support around 98. If you have watched my previous videos, then we have talked in detail about 98 level or the multiple support on the chart of gold. Sorry, DXY 98, 97.75, then 97.40. Multiple support we have on the chart of DXY. But right now we are witnessing heavy selling. So if we look at the present current position of DXY, okay, though market is almost standing at 98 level, there is a possibility that market will break 98 level. If market breaks the level of 98, we will see upside on the chart of Euro USD. Okay, so in this market condition, I think that 98 will not be able to hold the market. 97.75 or 97.70 has the potential of providing support to the market because of 200 moving average and this support here. So we have got dynamic support as well as static support around this level, so we can hope that in this particular level market will get the required support. DXY will get the required support, but as long as DXY keeps on falling, we will see buying on Euro USD, and that's why I have been talking in detail about DXY right now, not to bore you. So see, this is the chart of Euro USD here. Okay, so we have understood that DXY is falling, Euro USD is going up, but in DXY Euro USD also you can see that we have a resistance around 1.1150. So see, look at the correlation here. DXY, okay, yes, it looks like DXY will break the 98 level, but DXY is also approaching the crucial support of 200 moving average and the static support. So if DXY bounces from here then at the same time we will see Euro USD also reversing from this particular zone here, because Euro USD will be at the resistance, DXY will be at the support. Okay, so there is a possibility that we may get a selling opportunity as well. But one thing we must not forget, that fundamentals, okay, fundamentals always win against technicals. If the selling pressure on DXY continues, then obviously DXY will break each and every support, and Euro USD will also break each and every resistance. So my dear friend, this is a news driven market, so please keep in touch with the news, because anything may happen, and especially in this market condition, proper risk management and stop loss is extremely important. Because see, this is just a phase in the market. When the phase will pass, ये जब phase खत्म हो जाएगा ना, you should be having your capital with you. Okay, you should be having capital with you. हाँ, ऐसा नहीं कि मतलब phase is over, capital is also gone. No. So use proper risk management. Okay, if you already have a buy position, I think that please be on the buy position, continue with the buy position, because things are very much positive for Euro USD. Okay, but observe the market around this level, because market may face some selling pressure. And parallelly look at the chart of DXY also, because DXY may uh, take support around 97.75, and the market may bounce as well. Okay, so this is everything for Euro USD. I will not go in detail, because this is a news driven market. I will not say that short here, take a buy at retracement. You must also understand that a trader does not trade each and every time. A trader only trades when the setup is right for him, when the opportunity is right for him. Okay, no trading is also trading. You must understand it very well. So, sorry to disappoint you. I'm not giving you many levels, but yes, observe the market mostly. Okay, and those of you who are interested in learning, for you, I have launched the world's most affordable forex trading workshop. If you really want to learn, then you can check out the link in the description. This is for you only, so that everyone can afford. And for those who are interested in signals, I have launched the world's cheapest signal service, so that everyone can earn. So if you are interested, please check out the link in the description. Bye bye, take care.